Hi, this is Helem with Direct Liquidation, and today we're going to be unboxing this Gaylord at one of our facilities. So let's get to it. Here we have a Craftsman chainsaw. Retail value is $70. And as you can see, we have a couple more back here that I'm going to start unboxing right now. Here we have a Craftsman trimmer, again in its complete boxing. So here we have a string trim edger. It's with all of its parts inside. Also, it includes a battery. As you can see, we have these Gaylords packed to the brim, so you're getting a lot of power tools in here when you buy this entire Gaylord. Right here we have a string trimmer edger. Once again, it's in its complete packaging and it has everything you need inside of it. Right here we have a 14-inch 2-cycle chainsaw. Now we do have facilities all over the US, so wherever you need to source from, we got you. I've been showing you a lot of Craftsman, but we also have different brands inside these Gaylords. Right here we have a Cobalt hedge trimmer, and it's complete packaging. Everything's included in here. Here we have another hedge trimmer from Trimmer Plus. Here we have a weed whacker. This one does not come in its original packaging, but it is still in really good conditions. All you have to do is actually clean it up and it'll be good for resale. Okay. Like I said, we have multiple facilities throughout the US, so if you need inventory, we got you. So as you can see, we've already unboxed half of this Gaylord and we still have a lot of amazing products left in here for you to source. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions or want to contact anybody in our sales team, please check out the description down below. And thank you. Bye.